Good afternoon, Minneapolis and Medical Alley. We are absolutely excited to be part of this incredible community who have brought the world pacemakers, heart valves, organ transplants. I mean, I could go on, but I think they would unplug the screen. Hi, I'm Joe McClung. I'm president of FloodGate Medical, and I'm thrilled to announce our merger with Finesse Partners. Together, we combine Finesse's 38 years of executive recruiting experience and expertise from industry icon Janie Vinn. Some call her the Queen. With FloodGate's 22-year specialty in MedTech recruiting to create a single source talent solution solely focused on the MedTech market, creating an amplified executive recruiting firm with a national reach and a Minnesota heart. Over our combined 60 years of experience, we have witnessed that the wrong hire, it can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars and absolutely crush once vibrant cultures. And for us, that is a cost that's way too high to accept. This is why Finesse Partners and FloodGate Medical together have built the processes and the personal connections to keep our finger on the pulse of the people in MedTech, as well as our eyes on the advancements coming downstream that will impact the market. At the same time, we've created a robust digital presence with 4 million engaged and game-changing technologies like our streamlined talent portal, engaging video-embedded bots to break through all the noise. We also have a team of 25 people who have mastered the art of the hiring process to target the talent that hiring managers would not have found on their own. People that stick and stay for years and change companies through exceptional performance. The FloodGate partnership allows companies to focus on developing talent and not just acquiring new ones. We are honored to be part of Medical Alley because it is the center of the MedTech industry. And the individuals here drive the innovation that advances the future of healthcare. We see a connection to this association as a vital ally. Get it? To achieve our common mission of improving lives, we just happen to do it by uniting great people with great companies in Minnesota and beyond. We look forward to working with Medical Alley and its members to achieve our combined mission, whether it's insight into talent market, compensation benchmarks, or finding that unique person for your company's incredible roles, or identifying your next great opportunity. If we can help you in your career, we would love to chat. We'll be around. Thank you.